Mach3 Lab was founded in 2007, drawing from the experience of a team of designers in the fields of mechanics, electronics, software, and vision systems. From these experiences, the first machine born was the DHR-305, a CNC machine equipped with a visible light vision system for drilling references on inner layers, an essential operation for the subsequent layup process. In 2008, after acquiring competence in X-ray vision, Mach3 Lab debuted with the X-Check and Antares products. The X-Check 310MF is an X-ray inspection bench used after CNC drilling of multi-layer panels to verify the correct centering between holes and pads. The Antares 700X is a CNC machine derived from the previous DHR-305. With the addition of an X-ray vision system, it can execute optimized reference holes, known as tooling holes, on post-pressing multi-layer panels, a necessary operation for subsequent CNC drilling. Mach3 Lab has always been attentive to customer needs and has continued to work extensively on these two products, introducing significant innovations over the years in both hardware and software. On the hardware side, we can list the introduction of the electro spindle, automatic tool change, the marker, a device that prints codes and data on the panel surface through micropunching. On the software side, important innovations include compatibility with the most advanced systems for analyzing scale errors and layer alignment, network sharing of measured data, productivity, and machine status, all in line with the Industry 4.0 standard. The recent implementation of X-ray decoding of data matrix and QR codes and their drilling. In terms of product innovation, we can proudly list the introduction of the Antares XA version with automatic loading and unloading, the Galaxy processing line, consisting of an Antares followed by a deflashing station. Mach3 Lab is now ISO 9001 certified. It entrusts the more assembly-oriented part of production to qualified and controlled outsourcing. This allows the company to direct its resources to more high-value activities, such as final testing of all produced machines, technical assistance, and most importantly, to the design and innovative aspects, which are entirely managed in-house from mechanical, electrical, electronic, systemic software and documentation perspectives, electrical, electronic, systemic software and documentation perspectives.
Sistemistico, software e documentativo.